जागतिक भलायकी दिसा तिनसांजे वेळार JCI बार्देस MPH गोंय राज्य IMA बार्देस शाखा हांणी इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशनाच्या जोडपालवान आल्दोना ग्रामपंचायत आणि आल्दोना संस्थेच्या संयुक्त विद्यमान 120 परस चड थळाव्यांनी मेगा वैजकीय शिबीर आयोजित केले। ह्या शिबिरात दंतचिकित्सक, नेत्र तपासणी, कात तज्ञ, स्त्रीरोग तज्ञ अशो सेवा लोकांनी अणभवल्यो। डॉक्टरा सहित HB काउंट टेस्ट, रँडम शुगर टेस्ट, ब्लड प्रेशर तपासणी ह्या सारक्यो फुकट चाचण्यो केल्यो।
This is a very nice initiative by JCI, and I've attended many of their functions, and I've seen they do a lot of community service, and which is for the benefit of the people. And this medical camp which they have brought over here at Aldona Institute is for the benefit of a lot of citizens and people who reside over here and the neighboring villages. A lot of people have been attending from the morning, and I can say that it's been a success, because you have got a dentist, you have got a gynecologist, you have someone who is also a skin specialist, ENT, and a dentist who's over here, and it's like an all-round checkup which you can have.